Well, welcome to the Startup Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, the host of the show, where we talk about raising funding for your startup and the time it takes to have an espresso. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. I'm often asked what return angels and venture capital investors seek in their startup investments. Angels generally seek around a 30% IRR. That would be 3x their investment in 4 years. For longer time frames, angel investors will be looking for a 5 to 10x return for a startup investment. The longer it takes, the higher the multiple. VC funds operate on a 10-year cycle and look for an exit in that time frame. Most seek a 10x return in a 5 to 7 year window. If your company growth rate is low, then that signals a longer term exit and thus a higher required return. If you find investors not interested in your deal, it may be because your deal doesn't fit into this expectation. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start up something today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.